Hi everybody, and welcome back. Today I got it really simple for you. Most cars nowadays come with a cabin air filter. It's not like back in the old days when you turned on your heater, you pulled out your side vents down the floor and you were drawing air directly from outside. Nowadays everything's run through a filter. If you change the filter on your furnace in your house or your air conditioning, you're probably going to want to change the one on your car as well. Most cases I find that every 3 to 6 months you can pull them out and change them. I'll buy these on Amazon in packs of 2. They're not that expensive. I'll have a link in the description, so you can get the same deal on that I'm getting. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to open up our glove box. See this little retainer right here? We're just going to put our finger back behind it and pull it out and off. And get the camera moving, I'll show you the next part here. So here we are with our glove box open. Now, if you look in the side here, there's a stop. So if you want, you can just push on the outside of this, push towards the inside to free that one up. You'll feel it drop down a little bit. Come over to the other side. I'll grab this with 2 fingers and do the same thing. Pull it inside. And we'll just drop this down and we'll pop it right out of the hinge. This is the only thing that's holding it in place, there and there. So you can see, here are the 2 tabs we're going to squeeze with one hand, and the 2 tabs are going to squeeze the other. I'll just go in there like this. Grab them, and pull it right out. Now, this one hasn't been changed in 6 months. And you can see all the nasty garbage that's on there. You got everything in here. Bird feathers, all the stuff that falls off any sort of trees you have in your yard. But you can see how disgusting that is. And this is just packed. Okay, now remember what I said? Now look on the very back side of this and you'll see where it says up, and it's pointing upward. So we know that this is its orientation in here. So you're just going to push it right in there, click it, and the other side's already clicked in place too. Now when you put the glove box on here, line your holders for your hinge up, put it in there, push it up, it'll lock back into place. We'll pull that little stop piece down we had on the side, and we'll click that into place too. And that's it. Your cabin air filter is done. Alright, so here's the old air filter with all the disgusting crap on there. Here's your new one. Which one do you want to use in your car? So that's it for today. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for watching. Don't be afraid to work on your car. Save yourself some money. Take care, everybody. And we'll see you on the next one. Bye now.